So now I have taken out the starter. It's quite easy. You need to remove the air filter first with all the case, and then you'll need to remove the hose between intercooler and throttle body. This is my starter, and it has 2 screws. So they're located from that side, so you don't really need to take the gearbox link. You just need to have that particular thing like joint, so that's easier. It's 14mm screws. This is my starter. It works mostly, and it didn't have any problems, except that had to replace some of those old contacts like 2 years ago. But recently I noticed that it's sometimes slow, so like it takes maybe a couple cranks, to start. So I feel that it needs some service. Then you can see it's really a lot of dust. So I'm going to clean it. So one of the problems that I can already see, that the contacts needs to be cleaned, like really cleaned, and that's why I probably have some troubles to start. So you can see it's kind of like there are some carbon on top. So I'm going to clean it first, and then I'm going to take apart that mechanism to see if it needs to be cleaned as well. So I managed to get out all 4 screws. It doesn't look too bad inside. Obviously, there is no grease. The lower ball bearing is fine. This one feels that it needs grease. Otherwise, it doesn't look too bad. So let's see what's here. Obviously, I'm going to grease and clean everything, and especially that part, because it looks too dirty. The ball bearing is fine. There is still some brush, so I just need to remove everything, just basically clean it. Yes, and let's see how it will be.